Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure basic things are ready. You need internet and the Google Play Store on your device. Once done, open your camera app or a dedicated QR scanner. Most modern phones scan automatically. Aim the lens at the QR code so it fills the frame and hold steady. Many cameras show a tiny link banner. If nothing appears, switch to a QR scanner app. Make sure camera permissions are allowed for the scanner app so it can read codes. You'll now scan the code and follow the link to Google Play. Once the QR triggers, tap the on-screen banner or notification that appears. It should say something like Open in Play Store. After tapping, the Play Store app opens directly to the apps page. Make sure the package name and developer look correct. This helps avoid fake apps. If the link opens in a browser first, tap the Play Store badge or Open in Play Store to get the official app listing. You're at the finish line. Tap Install and watch the permission prompts. Accept only what the app needs. Once installed, open the app and complete any first-time setup or sign-in. Make sure the app functions as expected before trusting it with data. If the QR scan fails, try again from a different angle, increase lighting, or clean the camera lens. Alternatively, manually search the exact app name in Play Store. If a suspicious page appears, cancel and double-check the developer details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.